Hey Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. We've got some exciting news coming straight from the team at Nothing. They've officially confirmed the launch date for their much-hyped smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3. Mark your calendars because it's arriving on July 1st. This isn't just any regular phone launch. The Phone 3 is shaping up to be Nothing's most ambitious release yet. While the company hasn't revealed all the specs just yet, a bunch of reliable leaks are giving us a pretty good look at what to expect. The phone is expected to come in two bold color choices, a slick black and a fresh white finish. And when it comes to pricing, it looks like Nothing is taking a smart approach. The version with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage is expected to start at $799. While the top-end model with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage might be priced at $899. That's about $50 less than the OnePlus 13 across the board, giving Nothing a real edge in the flagship pricing game. Now here's where things get interesting: the processor. Nothing hasn't confirmed the chip just yet, and that's led to some speculation. Popular tipster Yogesh Brar suggests the Phone 3 could be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But hold on, another source says it could be something else entirely. Other possibilities being talked about include the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 or even the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Both of these are powerful, flagship-level chips that would make sense considering the phone's pricing and its premium positioning. Let's not forget, the Nothing Phone 2 launched last year at just $599. It offered solid performance for the price, even with an older processor and a fairly basic camera setup. But with the Phone 3, it looks like Nothing is ready to take things up a notch. We're talking about more power, more RAM, more storage, and likely a much improved camera system too. And if the rumors about the Snapdragon 8 Elite turn out to be true, the Phone 3 might just become the most affordable device on the market to feature that chip, beating out even the pricier OnePlus 13. But that's not all Nothing has up its sleeve. There's also word that the company is preparing to launch its very first pair of over-ear headphones, which will reportedly be called the Nothing Headphone 1. According to reliable leaker Mystery Lupin, these are expected to arrive sometime in late September, possibly priced at around $299. At that price, Nothing seems to be positioning these headphones as a more budget-friendly alternative to premium options like Sony's WH-1000XM6 or Apple's AirPods Max. While we don't know much yet about their design or features, if Nothing's past audio products are anything to go by, these could be worth checking out. So what do you think? Are you excited about the Nothing Phone 3? Planning to pick one up when it launches? And how about the Nothing Headphone 1? Are they on your radar too? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you're most excited about. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Vision Tech, and make sure to turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our latest tech updates and leaks. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.